What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are out working on the Jeep again. We have a 2-inch BDS lift. I'm pretty sure these are going to be the struts, and I think the springs are going to be in here. So we got Ryan over here messing with it with me today, and so I guess we're going to go ahead and get this thing jacked up and we're going to start working on it. Dude, what do you think? You super stoked on it?
I'm so stoked.
Dude, I can't wait to see what it looks like.
Yeah, it's gonna be a beast. It already looks really good, but we gotta get a little bit higher.
And we did kind of clean up the wheels a little bit today. Just try to make them look a little bit better. I do need to work on them a little bit more, but they're at least shining compared to the last video. All right, once you get your wheel off, you want to go ahead and pull this top strut bolt.
14 millimeter?
It's a 14?
Yeah. Uh-oh.
Is it not coming?
So it's not coming, so this one you're gonna have to get with pliers.
Hold the bottom? All right.
Yeah, right. Can you just put your hand on that?
Go for it. Is it still spinning? Oh yeah, that's what I was kind of thinking.
Shit, that was sketchy.
Spring came out, so that's a quick way to do that. There we go.
That was sketchy.
All right. So now I guess we'll undo these 2 bottom bolts.
Holy shit. Holy moved.
What, 12?
13 actually.
Bottom's at 13. And once you get this, then
The other one?
everything else is pretty much done for the front, which is super easy. Wasn't really expecting for the whole spring to fall out, but the I got a spring compressor just in case, but I guess we don't need it.
Is this one blowing or no? No. The other one was blown. This one I can really push down. The other one I can push all the way down, like easy, with one hand.
So this one's perfect still.
Yeah.
For sale, if anybody wants to buy it.
Free 99.
All right, well, I guess we're gonna go get the other spring and start installing this. All right, this is the coolest part of the whole job. Oh yeah, that's sick.
Just go up with the jet.
All right.
That spring's sitting nice. Real nice.
So yeah, we gotta put the sweet sticker on. All right, so the fronts are now done. It's definitely, you can kind of see how it's squatted a little bit like that, but the front looks perfect. We do have to we're probably gonna pull this wheel off and hit this a few more times and kind of bend this in, give us a little bit more clearance, because it is rubbing just a little bit. You can kind of see it on the tire. I mean, it's not much, but it definitely is rubbing. So we're probably gonna pull this wheel off and go to town, and we're gonna get the rears done. Sick.
I can't wait to go off ready.
We got the rear completely out, the old spring. We had to use a spring compressor. I guess I'll probably show that on the next part, or on the other side. But we were just kind of, we were trying to beat the rain, but it looks like the rain beat us, so. Well, so with the BDS lift, to get these bushings in, the best way we found is just take a big socket. You want to take your clamp, and we put a little bit of grease on it to help slide in, because you got to press these bushings in. So you put it on there like that.
sure it's straight. There we go.
There it is.
It slides right on in.
And
Let's check this.
there you go. That's how you get the rear little bushings in. All right, the lift is all the way on. What do you think?
I love it. I love it.
Looks sick. Definitely lifted it the perfect amount. I think the cut fenders really made it for sure. And the rears, we're not really sure. We think we mounted the spring or the strut upside down, but we're gonna go drive it and see how that feels. And you know, if it rides bad, then we'll switch it around. If not, then we're just gonna leave it for now. But it does look really good.
All right, Austin's gonna hit this puddle over here with his new lift in 33s. All right, Austin found some trails over here. Trying it out. We're gonna hit this mud puddle up real quick. Look at him. Dang, that was a pretty good ride. Didn't hit nothing. Look at him go. Now we gotta fix that fan. Yeah. Oh dang, that was two-wheel drive. Two-wheel drive, brother.
And 2 wheels.
I wonder what it takes to get this thing to put it in 4-wheel drive. I wonder what it will take.
I mean,
Damn, he's at an angle. Damn, look at that thing.
it made it.
Yeah. Dang.
That was big.
That's what she said. It's bumpy now. We go through a bunch of bumps. This is just gonna get real bumpy, that's about it.
I guess we put the suspension on the right way.
All right, we got some. I would hit the grass for sure. And there you go. Take a left. Oh yeah, there we go.
Try to ride it in the middle.
There you go. Alright, we back up. We're going through the woods here. It's a good little test drive. Get in here. I wouldn't hit that. It gets pretty nasty and bumpy, and I don't want to be stuck down there. Just put it in the river. Wash off the wheels.
Oh, yeah, I want to check this real quick.
Okay, yeah.
I mean, look at that hill. We did that.
Yeah, I guess you're right. It's just down over there. I see a bunch of water.
I know.
We got water right here. It's probably like what, 2 inches thick? You just ride it. You clean off your Jeep.
I don't even know where we'd pop back up though.
Oh, we can turn around.
You just turn around.
Yeah, just turn around.
Where do we head this way?
Dude, where does this go?
It just looks like more trails. A lot more trails.
Yeah. I would rather go down here if you had a buddy.
I mean, look at it.
I'm gonna hit some water. Clean off the wheels a little bit. Be sick. There is a place to get up over here. We did with the Groms. We're over there. Yeah, you're barely deep. Look. I gotta get. This fan makes a little noise, so we gotta fix that. That's what that sound is. There we go. Almost 4-wheel drive, bro. Woo! You got some mud. What you think, bud?
It was cool.
Yeah, we out here, dude. You need. Oh yeah, we're gonna hit some mud right here. Oh, that's pretty nasty line over there. He's good. You're way good. Beautiful back here. That's the big hill climb.
All right, guys, so that is it for today. We are completely done off-roading. We went and washed the Jeep up, and it looks great for what it is. Really stoked. Thank you for your help, Ryan.
Hell yeah, brother.
I really appreciate it. Yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. If you guys like this video, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.